Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok bio using your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.tiktok.com. Log into your TikTok account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select View Profile. Now you'll be on your profile page. Next, click the Edit Profile button. It's located next to your profile picture. Here, you'll see a text box labeled Bio. Click inside the box, delete your old bio if needed, and type in your new bio. You can write whatever you like. Just remember, TikTok bios have a limit of 80 characters, so keep it short and sweet. Once you're happy with your new bio, scroll down and click Save. And that's it. Your TikTok bio has now been updated from your PC. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.